union. Union is similar like a structure. Okay, you are defining different data types in a single variable name. So that is called as a structure, heterogeneous data type, right? So in union also similar like a structure. For example, the syntax is union name, data type member 1, another data type member 2, member 2 are declaring. And in this only difference is it stores only the maximum member value at a given time. It stores only the max member value at a given time. Okay, other values and all became wrong. Okay, for some application it may be required which is the maximum member value. It will take only that member value. Okay, for example, here I define union data integer I, float f, character str. In this data type you will occupy 20 bytes of memory space. It will occupy 20 byte of memory space because this is a maximum space which can be occupied by the character string. See, for a character this is a 1 byte, no, so it character string 20 means 20 bytes of memory will be allocated, and for float is 4 byte. This is integer for 2 byte. So which is the maximum space? So character str is the maximum space. So this will give the correct answer. Others will not be considered for others will not be taken for consideration. So this is union. Union is similar like a structure, but it stores the maximum member value at a given time.